Restore a Wi-Fi connection for the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, and 7600 printer series. If your computer is unable to detect your printer over a Wi-Fi connection, or a printer offline or printer unavailable message displays when you're trying to print, follow these steps to fix the issue. Before following the steps in this video, complete this checklist to rule out any potential issues that could cause a print error. Check for a Wi-Fi icon on the control panel to verify that your printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. If the icon is blinking, the printer is not connected to the network, and it is in Wi-Fi setup mode. Make sure that the printer is within 8 meters, or 26 feet of your Wi-Fi router or range extender. Make sure your printer and your computer or mobile device connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A blue Wi-Fi light on the printer control panel indicates that the printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. To check the network that the printer is connected to, press the I button on the control panel. An information report prints. This report has the network name listed on it. Confirm that the printer power cable is plugged directly into a wall outlet. After completing each step, try to print from the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Restart your devices. Restarting your computer and printer can clear any error states that are preventing you from printing. Close all apps and programs and restart your PC. Turn off your printer and unplug the power cord from the printer and the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. On your computer, try to print the file again. Step 2. Reset the printer network settings on the control panel. For HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 7000, and 7300 series printers, press and hold the I button for 5 seconds until the control panel buttons light up. Then press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light blinks blue. For HP SmartTank 790 and 7600 series printers, select Menu. Select Settings. Select Network. Select Reset Network Settings. Select OK to restore original network settings of the printer. The printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode and will remain in this state for 2 hours. Caution: do not press the Wi-Fi button during this time, or the printer will exit Wi-Fi setup mode. Step 3. Connect to the printer using the HP Smart app. Once the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode, you can connect to your computer or mobile device using the HP Smart app. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can download it for free from your App Store or from 123.hp.com. It is recommended that you update your computer or mobile device to the latest software version. HP Smart requires Bluetooth to find the printer. For computers, turn on Bluetooth. For mobile devices, turn on Bluetooth and location services. If you previously added your printer to HP Smart, right-click the printer image, and then select Hide Printer. Select Hide Printer again to confirm. For mobile devices, press and hold the printer image. Then tap Hide Printer. You are now ready to connect to your printer. Select either Add Printer on your computer or the plus icon on your mobile device to begin adding the printer. HP Smart searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it and then select Continue. When prompted, select Continue to connect the printer to your wireless network. Depending on your specific printer model, the next screens might vary. Follow the remaining prompts to connect your printer. When the process is complete, you are then brought back to the HP Smart Home screen. Your printer is now connected and ready to print. Step 4. Run Diagnose and Fix from the HP Smart app. This step only applies to printers connected to Windows and Mac computers. You can troubleshoot many printer issues with the built-in Diagnose and Fix tool in HP Smart. For Windows computers, open Diagnose and Fix by selecting the wrench icon in the lower left. For Mac computers, select Printers in the top menu bar, and then select Diagnose and Fix. Once the tool opens, select Start. Wait for Diagnose and Fix to complete. This might take a few minutes. Do not close HP Smart while the tool is running. If any issues are found, Diagnose and Fix provides you with instructions on how to resolve the issue.